annual sports meet of 2024-25. The classes from nursery to 4th standard. Sports makes our body strong and healthy. We play games to get exercise and the entertainment. It also improves physical fitness of our body. In other words, if we say overall development of our body. On this auspicious occasion, here we have today's Honorable Chief Guest, Shri Sadashiv Ullal, the President of Mangalore Urban Development Authority and Correspondent of BHAGAVATHI Educational Institution with us. Now I request our beloved headmistress of both high school and primary section, Srimati Surika Ji and Srimati Pramila, to escort the Chief Guest, Shri Sadashiv Ullal, near to the victory stand. On to the most important part of our sports day event, that is March Past, by our tiny tots led by the respective house captains. March Past is all about synchronization and teamwork. The drum beat rolls, the band strikes up, and a high-pitched voice issues a commands. We are very happy to introduce the 4 houses, namely Blue Squad, Green Squad, Red Squad and Yellow Squad. A well-coordinated march past shows discipline and team spirit. Now I request the leaders of each squad to honor the Chief Guest through their march past. May I request Shri Sadashiv Ullal, the President of Mangalore Urban Development Authority and the Correspondent of BHAGAVATHI Educational Institution, to stand on the victory stand to receive the honor from the March Past students. Srimati Surika Ji, Headmistress of BHAGAVATHI High School, and Srimati Pramila, Headmistress of BHAGAVATHI Primary School, to judge the March Past. Srimati Nayana for the further proceedings.
For the classes from nursery to 4th standard. We start the program by the march walk of nursery to UKG students. Following by LKG. At last, march walk by the UKG students. Here comes our big group, nursery, LKG, with the striking red color dress towards the platform. Red color represents love, desire, energy, passion and confidence. Their moving style shows unity.
Thank you, ma'am. Here comes our lower primary section. First row blue. Blue indicates the color of the ocean and the sky. Blue has a calming and relaxing effect on our physics that gives us peace and makes us feel confident and secure.
ಹರುಷದಿ ಲಾಲಿಸು ನಮ್ಮಯ ಮೊರೆಯ ನಿರುತದಿ ಕಾಯೋ ಪಾರ್ವತಿ ತನಯ. ವಿನಯದಿ ಬೇಡುವೆ ಶಾರದ ಮಾತೆ, ವಿನಯದಿ ಬೇಡುವೆ ಶಾರದ ಮಾತೆ, ಕರುಣಿಸು ಅಭಯವ ಈ ಶುಭ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ, ಕರುಣಿಸು ಅಭಯವ ಈ ಶುಭ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ, ನಿರುತದಿ ಕಾಯೋ ಪಾರ್ವತಿ ತನಯ. ಹರುಷದಿ ಲಾಲಿಸು ನಮ್ಮಯ ಮೊರೆಯ ನಿರುತದಿ ಕಾಯೋ ಪಾರ್ವತಿ ತನಯ.
Primary School, to welcome the gathering.
Good morning, everyone. It is my pleasure to welcome all of you to this year's Nursery to 4th Standard Sports Day and Prize Distribution Ceremony. Today is a day of joy, celebration, and pride as we recognize the efforts and talents of our youngest learners. Sports Day is not just about competition, it is a wonderful opportunity for our children to develop confidence, teamwork, and spirit of healthy participation. On this special occasion, I would like to welcome Shri Sadashiv Ullal, President of Mangalore Urban Development Authority and correspondent of BHAGAVATHI Educational Institutions. I accord a cordial welcome to you, sir. Our hearty welcome to our high school headmistress, Srimati Sureka Jayaprakash, for being with us on this special occasion. Welcome, ma'am. I'd like to welcome our teaching and non-teaching staffs for their cooperation. Our special welcome to Mr. P.D. Sir Shivaprasad, who is the backbone of this event. Welcome, sir. We extend a warm welcome to Mr. Santosh Marla from Crystal Studio and Posakural Media for capturing today's event. Finally, I would like to welcome all my dear students. Welcome one and all.
We are about to commence our event by lighting the lamp of knowledge and wisdom. This is the symbolic moment that signifies the dispelling of darkness and igniting of thought and enlightenment. Now I invite Shri Sadashiv Ullal to light the lamp, and I request all the dignitaries to join this auspicious ritual. Now, March 1st result. Second place goes to... It's none other than Yellow Squad. I request all the Yellow Squad teachers to come and join. Today's winner is... First place goes to... Which squad? It's none other than Blue Squad. I request Blue Squad team leader and the teachers, please come forward. That is prize distribution. Many of the students have won the prizes in various games. Now I request Srimati Dayavathi to read out the list of the prize winners from nursery section.
Good morning, everyone. I'm going to announce the prize winner's name. Nursery section. Be ready. Now I request Sri Sadashiv Ullal to give away the prizes. Ridvit Sai, first place. Arham Sheikh, second place. Daksh, third place in running race. Only one. Now in lucky games, first place Mohammad Arhan, second place Ashil Aman. LKG section running race, first place Sai Chirag, second Abhiyan, third place Mohammad Moaz. Running race girls, first place Aiza Fatima, second place Halima Niha, third place Fatima Aiza. Lucky Games girls, first Manvik. Lucky Games, boys, first Manvik, second Praneeth, third Mohammad Abhiyan. Lucky Game girls, first place R.V. Bandari, second Aiza Fatima. LKG B section boys, Mohammad Ibrahim first place, Mohammad Lut second place, and third Dheeraj. Girls running, Aliza Fatima, Aisha, second place, and third place, Janvi. Girls, first place Prashvita, second place Jitanya.